Welcome back to Shib everyone. After the final warning, Satoshi vanished. Today's Shib news. Nearly 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at over $150 million, were moved from a leading cryptocurrency exchange to a self-custody wallet via an unidentified Ethereum address. The SHIB tokens were transferred from an Ethereum address that Etherscan identified as belonging to the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com to a new wallet, per on-chain data released by the crypto analytics company Santiment. We will discuss Satoshi leaving the last warning and going missing in this video. Today's Shib news. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. The transfer was completed in 6 separate transactions, and since March 1st, the whale has been swiftly accumulating it. As of right now, it has 990 to ETH in addition to its current 25 trillion SHIB. The Daily Hodl claims that the enormous move to cold storage has made it the largest wallet that hasn't been recognized as being part of an exchange and the third largest Shiba Inu wallet globally, according to data gathered by Whale Alert. The biggest transaction it has documented involves the transfer of 4.1 trillion SHIB tokens for almost $45 million to an undisclosed wallet. It's unclear if another whale is migrating its tokens or if Crypto.com, which is transferring its SHIB to a new wallet, is doing the transactions. SHIB's burn rate skyrocketed in the 24 hours between Monday and Tuesday. According to the Shiba Inu burn tracking website Shiburn, the dog-themed token burned an incredible 453 million coins, an astounding 1,317% increase. Sending Shiba Inu tokens to an address without a recoverable private key renders them useless and takes them out of circulation forever. This is known as burning. By lowering the overall quantity in circulation, this is frequently done to assist limit inflation and raise the value of the remaining tokens. The burning of tokens is a community-driven effort to raise the value of Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin in the world. It is also thought to be a reference to the custom in some Asian cultures of burning paper money as a sacrifice to ancestors. The beta release of Shibarium, the layer 2 protocol of the ecosystem that is based on Ethereum, has also delighted the Shiba Inu community. As they continue to look for new opportunities for development, the Shiba Inu community is growing. The beta version of SHIB was made available to beta testers last week, giving them a preview of the testnet. The much-awaited layer 2 protocol, Shibarium, which is based on Ethereum, is currently in beta testing, as the team concentrates on creating more efficient processes and monitoring for faults. It might stay that way for 2 to 4 months, according to SHIB engineer Satoshi Kasama, who goes by a pseudonym. The Shiba Inu community has become more interested and enthusiastic as a result of these advancements. The recent transfer of SHIB tokens and the creation of Shibarium demonstrate the community's ongoing interest and increasing significance in the cryptocurrency space. It will be interesting to observe how these changes affect Shiba Inu's adoption rate in future. 2 well-known Ethereum investors have amassed an incredible 1,020,313,193 SHIB worth 10,898,378 from the different transactions in the last day. According to WhaleStats, a well-known blockchain data tracking company, the 232nd largest ETH whale, Cavit, completed the initial transaction, adding an impressive 899,099,734,985 SHIB, or 9,611,997, in a single transaction, according to WhaleStats. Soon after, Blue Whale 0073, the 254th largest ETH whale, completed a deal to purchase 120,047,578, 28 SHIB, or 1,286,381, following Crypto.com's standard custody procedure, which involved moving 20,439,482,510,133 SHIB, or 26,959,585, to a new address in order to preserve the safety and security of exchange wallets. There was a notable whale accumulation, given that the market is short-term bullish and BTC is dominating. Such a large whale accumulation in an ongoing market where Bitcoin is trading above $28.00 indicates that a huge price gain for SHIB is imminent. When Bitcoin reaches a certain price range and stops pumping, the altcoins may begin to do the same. With the release of the Shibarium public beta, the demand for Shiba Inus has increased further, leading to a notable rise in the burn rate. According to Crypto Basic, in the last week alone, the Shiba Inu community has destroyed the 1,072,114,690 SHIB through 290 different transactions. In the midst of the ongoing developments, Satoshi Kasama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, recently alluded to a groundbreaking development in a comment regarding the meeting between Ted Shilowitz, the futurist at Paramount Pictures, and Marcy Jastrow, the advisor for Shiba Inu Metaverse, at the 2023 South by Southwest Festival in Texas. In the meantime, Kasama has categorized every member of the community as belonging to the Shiba Inu defense breed, in order to counter an increasing FUD effort against the project. Given that SHIB's 30-day moving average and relative strength index are both in low positions that are poised for a positive correction, the indicators suggest that a rally may be on the horizon. For example, the coin was oversold when its RSI fell as low as 30 earlier in the month. Now that the indicator is steadily moving toward 50, a rebound might start soon. In a similar vein, SHIB's 30-day has been declining for a number of days, getting closer to an inevitable rally. Since Shib hasn't seen the large gains made by BTC, ETH, and other major coins over the previous week, it is fully debatable if it will soon see a strong rally. The beta launch of Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network, Shibarium, is the most evident of several basic grounds to support this view. The network began operational on March 11th, and the full public debut is probably coming up in the next months. When Shibarium is completely launched, transaction times will speed up and scale up, making it possible for individuals to use Shiba Inu and the different apps in its ecosystem much more affordably. As such, it is anticipated to raise demand for Shib and enhance adoption and utilization of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Undoubtedly, there were problems with its beta debut. According to certain observers, it had stolen its chain ID from Renia, a new blockchain that is presently in the testnet stage. The claims were promptly addressed by Shibarium developers. In a tweet, Caldaria stated that no duplication was deliberate and that chain IDs were chosen at random for Shibarium's beta network, in order to dispel any suspicion that the Layer 2 team is merely replicating other networks. Daria also clarified that his team will be redeploying a new Shibarium beta network with a distinct chain ID. SHIB's price hasn't recovered much from its decline after the aforementioned charges surfaced, and it continues to lag many other significant coins in spite of this reply. However, SHIB has risen this month in the market capitalization rankings, going from 15th earlier in March to 14th approximately a week ago. This demonstrates its consistent expansion, which could continue after the release of SHIB, the Metaverse. Although there isn't a set date for the release of this virtual environment with a Shiba Inu theme, it is generally anticipated to happen before the year ends. Early video of one of the Metaverse's unique regions was among the upgrades recently released by its crew. Developers claim that the SHIB, the Metaverse globe, will have 595 territories that may be purchased and unlocked over time. This comprises the 36,431 lands that will be unveiled during the debut phase, of which 124 will be for sale. These will be divided into many districts according to their graphical style and flavor. The Metaverse presents itself as the unified future of gaming, business, and entertainment. It is nevertheless reasonable to predict that SHIB will see some significant price increases over the year given the platform's methodology. Well, it's currently only about 0.000108. In the upcoming months, it might easily post returns to 0.000015 and 0.00002. Many people are actually waiting for much greater profits. Others are aiming for 1 cent or higher. Although this is very ambitious, there is no doubt that Shiba Inu will eventually make some enviable returns if all of its scheduled releases go as planned. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.